Hi, good wishes everybody. So today I thought I'll discuss about health habits like that is exercise and diet. Why this today? Because we know in our country this year there is a lot of concentration has been given to Fit India movement. So I thought I'll talk a few things about this Fit India. Because I am from Karnataka, I want to make Fit Karnataka as well. So that is my concept of today's discussion. So as a normal, if you take in a day there is 24 hours, so you have to split yourself accordingly. For example, if you imagine that you sleep for 7 hours a day, so another 17 hours is left for you. In that, make sure at least 1 hour you keep it for yourself for your health. In remaining 16 hours, you take it for the daily routine works like 2 to 3 hours, no problem. In rest of the hours, you do whatever you are, like whatever work you want. You might be a software engineer, you might be a civil engineer, you may be a film actor, you may be an ad company. Yes, you can do whatever you are, keep yourself busy. But remember, if you are not keeping 1 hour for yourself, then there is no point in living. So always make sure 1 hour of exercise is mandatory in your daily routine. What you have to do? You can do anything. Let it be anything, like you can go for gymming, you can go for aerobics, you can go for swimming, cycling, badminton, yoga, Zumba, cross trainer, anything. If not anything, at least you should do walking. 1 hour compulsory, make sure you may go for walking. It should be a routine habit. There should not be any excuses. You should focus yourself. There should be always a routine habit. You should make a health goal. You should have this goal. Every day I get up at this time, I will do this sort of work, I'll do this exercise, I do this work. Like this, keep yourself. Why you have to do all these things? If you don't keep yourself 1 hour, future you are going to develop all the health related diseases, like it may be diabetes, because I am a diabetes doctor, so I know how the people come. So you may develop diabetes, heart problems, blood pressure, kidney problems, you name anything you may develop. So instead of that, to prevent that, 1 hour you should spare for yourself. You can take your wife to a walking, or if you take your girlfriend for a walking. So do gardening, anything, at least 1 hour. Make sure, it's a sincere request, make sure you do it for 1 hour. Our Prime Minister is also telling that 1 hour of exercise is mandatory to keep yourself fit. That is the concept of Fit India. So we as a doctor also want all our public as well as patient to be fit. So we want, if you take Indian population, 134 crore is our population. We want our people to be fit. That is the whole concept of Fit India. At the same time, if you take Karnataka, we have 6.4 crores people. We want all the people to be fit. That is the concept of Fit Karnataka concept. So we want Fit India as well as Fit Karnataka as a doctor. So please make sure you do 1 hour of exercise per day. How do you do that? Simply, if you don't know, like how do you know that how much you have exercised per day? Nowadays there are so many watches, gadgets and all those things is there, which counts what you are doing, which tells what you are doing. At least make sure 10,000 steps you cover every day. 10,000 is nothing. Do you believe me? 10,000 steps per day is nothing. So some may say, doctor, if I am not well, what to do? At that time, yeah, no problem. If you are well, not well, take rest. Take like 3 to 5 days rest. Do minimal walking at that time. But when you recover from that illness, make sure that you cover that. Like if you had done only 2,000 steps during that illness, make sure when you come out of that, you cover 18,000 steps per day for few days. Like that, if you do that, you can be healthier. If you are not doing it, it's a biggest blunder. If you're not giving yourself 1 hour per day, what's the point of doing, working, earning money, and all those things? There's no point in doing that. So, exercise per 1 hour per day is mandatory. Along with this, always diet also plays a very, very important role. Always make sure you take from home. Homemade food is always the best. It is very easy to get distracted from the advertisement and unhealthy junk foods. But mind it, these are the things, these are the food, unhealthy food, junk food, which will lead to early diseases. All the problems come early because of these kinds of food. Make sure that you carry home food every day. I'm a doctor, I'm a busy doctor, but still I make sure I carry my homemade food always. In between patient, I take a break of 15 to 20 minutes or maybe 30 minutes. I go to my room and have comfortably the homemade food, which is very, very important. So all the things, make sure wherever you are, you should take the homemade food as much as possible. For some reason you are not able to take homemade food, take the local food as well as a good nourished food with a good amount of good portions of fruits and vegetables will definitely help you in preventing many diseases. So ladies and gentlemen, the idea of my presentation or my talk today is to keep Karnataka and keep India fit. So that is Fit India and Fit Karnataka movement. So kindly follow it and hope my advice is useful. Thank you.